Welcome to Dundalk and to the site of the Old Dundalk Distillery. Distilling first started on this site around 1708, so it was indeed one of the oldest registered distilleries in Ireland. The site covered around 20 acres and employed around 150 men in the late 19th century. There were 8 duty-free warehouses holding around 3,000 puncheons and 4,000 hogsheads of spirit in maturation. 2 of the largest buildings were for malting and storing grain, with a capacity of 15,000 barrels of whiskey per year. In this aerial view from around 1932, we look east up Chapel Street towards the great chimney of the distillery. The chimney was 162 feet high, 24 foot square at the base and 14 feet square at the top. It was even a beacon for shipping in Dundalk Bay. This view towards north is from St. Patrick's Cathedral. This is the iconic view from Roden Place. The old houses of the manager, the distiller, and the bookkeeper still exist. The warehouses have been replaced by buildings associated with the cathedral.
We stop the press to announce the sad news that a dreadful fire is raging in the Dundalk Distillery, and we fear with little prospect of it being extinguished. It originated in the corn kiln, and the corn stores are now in a blaze and are illuminating the heavens. We hope the spirit stores will not be reached by the devouring elements.
As flames spread from the kilns to the corn stores, full of dry flammable materials, all the town fire engines were deployed. The military barracks fire engines were also deployed by the Hussars Regiment. Mr. Miller, the operative distiller, took the view that it was not possible to save the corn stores, and so concentrated on stopping the flames spreading to other buildings. The adjacent spirit stores and mills were saved, as were the houses adjacent to the burning building. On Monday morning, the 24th, the distillery was back in operation as if nothing happened. However, the damage done was estimated at around £10,000, about €1.5 million today. This is the Louth County Library. This is a beautiful facility that utilizes a restored element of the distillery and is the site of the big fire in 1862. This is the Louth County Museum. This is a fantastic award-winning facility. It was originally a grain store in the distillery and was subsequently procured by P.J. Carroll's in 1932, and for 40 years was utilized as a tobacco store. This is Distillery Lane. And so it's goodbye for now from the site of the Dundalk Distillery. See you again.